welcome to Storytime. It's really important that we are wearing masks these days when we're out and about with other people. But since I am at the library in a room all by myself, I get to take my mask off. That will make it so much easier to share Storytime with you today. I am Miss Tammy, and I really am very glad that you're here. We are going to start with our alphabet song. And if you know how to sing your ABCs, be sure you join in and sing with me when we get to that point. But first we're going to sing these words. Welcome, welcome everyone. We're together, let's have some fun. Stories, songs, and puppets too. Storytime is a place for you. Do you know your ABCs? Come along and sing with me. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. It's so important for us to learn all of the letters of the alphabet and learn what each letter looks like so that when we are learning to read and write, we will know the letters and the sounds that they make. Oh. Today, I brought my friend Henrietta. And she likes to say, hello, everybody. Yep. So good to have you at Storytime today, Henrietta. Hello. Yep. Say hello to all those friends that are at home today. Yep. Well, guess what, everybody? I brought something to show you today. What did you bring to show us, Henrietta? You need to guess what it is. We need to guess what it is. Oh my goodness, there's so many things it could be. You better give us some clues. Okay, here's some clues. The first clue is it's something you might see at a party. Ooh, something at a party? Maybe like presents or a cake or some games. And then this thing that you can see at a party can be lots of different colors. Ooh. Presents can be different colors. Did you bring a present? Nope. This thing starts out really flat. And then I add some air and some more air. And pretty soon you see I guess, do you know what it is? Is it a balloon, Henrietta? Yes, it's a balloon. Oh, here it is. There's your balloon you brought today, Henrietta. What color balloon did Henrietta bring? Yep, a yellow balloon. Do you want to blow it up, Henrietta? Okay, let's give it a try. Here you go. Oh, is a balloon hard to blow up? Do you want me to help you, Henrietta? Okay, I will blow up the balloon. Do one more big breath. A big yellow balloon. Oh! Sorry, I let it go. Let's, that was silly. We are going to pretend we're heading to a party. And at the party, they needed us to bring a cake because we always need to have some yummy things at the party to eat. So are you ready to make a cake for the party? Get out your big bowl and a big spoon. And here we go. We're going to mix the batter Stir the batter. Pour some flour in. Mix the batter. Stir the batter. Then we'll pour it in a tin in the plate. Yep. We'll sprinkle some sugar on top. And then we'll pop it into bake. And then we have to wait. Tick tock, tick tock. And then we'll open up the oven door and out comes a cake. Good job making the cake. Oh, this cake is hot. We need to let it cool for a few minutes. We do a lot of waiting when we're doing cakes, don't we? Okay, we've waited a long time and now it is time to frost and decorate this cake. What kind of frosting are you going to put on the cake? Maybe you'll put on some chocolate frosting, or maybe, pink frosting. Maybe you'll just want vanilla frosting and that's white. So let's go ahead and spread that frosting all over your cake. Put it on nice and neat. Yep, get it all around the sides. Now it's time to decorate your cake. What are you going to put on for decorations? You might be able to put on some flowers, some frosting flowers, or maybe some sprinkles. I think I'm going to use sprinkles. Sprinkles, all different colors, all over the cake. Oh, I think that looks perfect for the party. Are you ready to go to the party? Well, guess what? Our party that we're going to is just down the street. So we get to walk to the party. Here's how it goes. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Now we'll stop. Now we'll stop. Oh, we're not quite to our friend's house. Let's go again. Here we go. Walking, 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 walking. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Running, running, running. Running, running, running. Now we'll stop. Now we'll stop. We're at the party! Yay! Knock, 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 knock. We're here. And here's your cake. We're going to do one more song. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, this time we are going to do, since Max's spider was not an itsy bitsy small spider, was it? It was a big hairy spider. Ready to sing about the big hairy spider? The big hairy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the big hairy spider went up the spout again. Nice job. Oh, well, guess what? It is time for me to head back home. I'm glad that you could join me today, even if it was just through the computer. I love doing story time and I love spending that time with you. We're going to have one more song to say goodbye to, and it's about a train. Do you remember what sound a train can make? Toot, toot. Here's how it goes. Oh, the goodbye train is coming, see you soon. Toot, toot. The goodbye train is coming, see you soon. Toot, toot. The goodbye train is going. The goodbye train is going. The goodbye train is going. See you soon. Toot, toot. Thanks for joining me today. For more story time shorts and other learning resources, please visit our website at scld.org. Bye.